for a little bit island adventure. Nearby Helsinki, the capital. We ended up in an island here in the Helsinki Archipelago for lunch. Lunch, yes, lunch in the island. Oh, it's dropping now, so I will just take it off.
Kato, nyt ei enää, tiedätkö mitä? Nyt tää jotenkin erottuu tällä. Nyt on liian lujaa.
Yeah, I know.
Joo. Yes. Straightening it up. Yeah, it's really easy for you to take.
Yeah.
Onpa hyvää.
Se on ihan sika hyvää Eppu oikeesti. Jatkoon!
Alkaa nyt tulee liikaa voimaa.
Nyt.
Vähän pienemmälle.
It's real cheese.
Vaikka valkkareja.
Good.
And we're allowed to move all over the island, but of course not on their own property. So we are gonna.
So if you can hear this kind of sound like a go down, because they will come with the arrows and bows.
Yeah. And actually, I've heard they might cook you.
Yeah.
Actually, in this island, it's quite of secluded and somehow government property, and this is some military something here. It's quite scary actually to be here. So it's a very well really protected area. We're not violators now. We're just walking around here enjoying the nature. That island behind me is a private island, so there's like a small village there with 5 houses. But this place is very interesting because during the World War II, this place has been like the smuggler's island. Estonia is about like 70, maybe maximum 80 kilometers away from here. And then they bring all the possible things you could smuggle: cigarettes, of course, liquors, drinks, alcohol. They smuggled in here before they take it to the mainland Finland, and especially to the Helsinki where the city part is. So this has been like a illegal trading island way back then. And of course these people have been living here, been here for like 100 years or more. Very interesting. Very lovely island, by the way. You can even surf here if you like. Very crazy wind at the moment. Nice.